And this brings us to the Seattle Harbor Department. They closed off some section, or they're making some new one. Yep, they were running track. Different angles of the city. Made it the lunch. They had a wonderful lunch. Nothing beats hospitality as those missions they got. The good bread of life mission. It was delicious. Hallelujah. Here's where I blew the shofar as I did in San Diego. Hallelujah. Like as if it was yesterday, but nah, it's been a long time. This is the ferry, I believe. There's been a man standing there both times I've been here. Hallelujah. They're influencing Messiah on me there. There's always been a man there. Even last time when I took the picture, I don't know who he was. You never know. But always treat everyone right, as Hebrews 12 and 13 continues strong today. And Erev Shabbat, to be good, because you don't know when you're welcoming angels or hospitality, housing, inviting angels. For real. And the ferry boat, another island over there, the other side of Seattle. East is that way. East is this way. There you go. I was really close to them. I just didn't take much video, but look at all the cargo. East is that way, and so west is completely this way. It's strange with the ocean here right next to it, and then the sun sets around that way. So we're getting this out of the way, this video stuff, this tour. Man, those ferries are huge. Look at that. They're like little cruise ships taking you to work. Probably the cars go in there too. But it's such a huge chunk of metal on the water. The water is like nothing to the water. It just like floats completely on top. Stays on there like a car. Or something, like something so flat. Look at that. How flat they sit. Huh? Technology. The Iron Era. The Iron Age. My bad. I might be doing some of this work here during this halftime break through winter. I had called on my brother. Seems like there's work here, but it's gonna be kind of expensive going into what's it called? The next city, Salt Lake City, and then to somewhere in Montana, Minneapolis. Hallelujah. Looking good. Oh, check it out. They're building steps, maybe an escalator. They throw cement on it. Never seen the steps done like that. This is like a new station center. Cool, being built. It's like plaster and then iron. You got thick metal and then the steps. Oh yeah, the bottom half is cement. Bottom half is cement. Bottom half is cement. You can see, and they're building the steps. Escalators, I think. Nice. It's a lot of work to do these things, but look, they're doing them. Another bridge. There you go. How do you make a bridge? That's how they make the bridges. A lot of iron. I'd like to see how they make the iron. They're using wood. The rebar. Technology. This has us bedazzled as well. Nice video. Thank you. I just pushed record to follow using the footage. Gives us the example of what kind of takes away from humanity. We do it, but then we elevate ourselves, and that's where it's pretty bad. The sin comes in. It's a huge complex they're building. It's nothing small. Yeah. It's all the way over there. Woo. lot of work here. Man, hallelujah, hallelujah. It's a huge ferry center. Huge. That is really cool boat. Huh? Hallelujah, hallelujah. It looks so cool. Man, it'd be crazy to go into the ocean, you know, like into the sea deeper. Yeah, you can see through this water. I don't think I've ever seen ocean water you can see through. Ah, this might not be ocean water. Might be as that separation, that supernatural separation of salt water and into fresh water. It separates. It's weird. It's supernatural. The Seattle Supers. Pretty cool. Station number 5. Seattle number 5. Over there. That is pretty cool. Avar feeding the seagulls. Evar. That's pretty cool. We don't have time to read all that, but hallelujah. So he has a restaurant, little diner, and smells really good. It's like, what do you call it? John Silver's. Long John Silver's. The pier. It's pretty cool, all the shops and everything. Seattle. Check it out. Huh? I don't do this now. I don't do it. I'd rather just get it out of the way, really. All this stuff. But the flag flies high. Look at that. Harley Davidson shop. Diner. Old stuff. More machinery. Technology. Hallelujah. Whoa, is that another island over there? It's like mountains over there. I think it's more into the Canada area? No, west. West would be that way. I think it's still part of the where America curves. What's it called over there? There's another area. Kind of desolate too, though. I think what you see in the map is not what you see in real life. So I honestly did not have this Argosy. I honestly did not have this planned. I didn't have this plan to be recording all this, but I prayed that the Spirit might guide me. It's like a nicer Santa Monica. Everything man, the water's pretty clear. Wow, that goes pretty deep. That's pretty deep. Oh, the noise is noisy. Cities are noisy, man. Cities are stupid noisy. Another minus about more buildings this way. Yeah, Seattle. Representing Seattle. The Seattle shop. Just Seattle stuff. 2 for $11, 2 for $12. The otter striped back. I guess it's the otter. He's an otter. Little mascot. Hallelujah. So there's plenty. It looks really fun out here. It really does. It has its vibe. Well, again, the Grunge was born here for me, and there's a Supersonics. It's really nice overall. Beautiful. Hallelujah. It's really cool, huh? Wow, these are buildings underwater. Pretty amazing. More city. It's like sophisticated Santa Monica type of deal. The crab pot. The Asherah poles. Oh, here we go. Some Let's see what song we came into. Down in a hole. We came into Down in a Hole. Feeling so slow. Down in a hole. Feeling so cold. I'd like to fly. So denied. Lane Staley, rest in peace, hallelujah. Yahoo! Nice. Miners landing. This is also native territory, so it's a lot of there's casinos and all that. It's a long pier. Hallelujah. Oh, and I don't know if I could be seen. Be my heart, everything decorated like a grave. I've been so guilty of kicking myself in the teeth. I'm not talking anymore about my feelings beneath. Down the hole, little slow. Down the hole, little slow. I want to fly. Yeah. I'm off. It was great. Hallelujah. It was beautiful. Sent chills down my spine, huh? Love to fly, but my wings have been so denied. Santa Monica redo. Families, little planes. Mark Sargent, where are you at? Mark Sargent, the chicharrones, the father. Mi gente, hallelujah. Elote, hallelujah. We've reached the corners of the earth of the U.S. Hallelujah. Dude, I was not expecting to have like this little tour experience or something. Seattle. It was beautiful. Nice. Look what our hands can do. It's like the Father made all this. Father made us and He made us all alive. It's the same way we made those, I guess. He's a genius. Mi gente, hallelujah, hallelujah. Vive Yahushua. Oh, the aquarium. I doubt that's free. Take my heart and decorate it like a grave. Lane Staley was not so hard. Chris Cornell was very tough. Pearl Jam is, you gotta be strong for Pearl Jam. You'll be good. The little otter guys. Cool. The Krakens. Seattle Aquarium. I wonder if it's free. Let me see. And it is not free. Individual, one day adult. It's 37 bucks. Youth 26. Adults 36. Washington State residents 31 bucks. 32. And youth are 23. And child 1 to 3 are free. Members free. There's the price for the aquarium. Let's see what jams we got here. Pearl Jam. Hallelujah. Sounds great, bud. There you go. Feeling like a little pillow made of concrete. Yeah. Oh, well, now he can't have one of that big looks insane. Oh, feeling his head was a pillow. Oh, hey, now when it has one is happy, looks insane. That wasn't it. Live music's always good for the soul. I think he was playing bass. I think that ends the boardwalk. Oh no, man, it's gonna go way over there. Look at this construction. Oh, look at that one too. I don't know what they're building up here though. I think it's gonna be like cement. I think the roofs start like this and then they just go level by level. Oh, they're like metal sheets. Those are like metal sheets. Wow, I've never seen this before. Industrial. The aquarium goes all the way over here. Hallelujah. It'd be nice, man. Looks like it's worth it, you know what I mean? Just become ready. 37 bucks. Man, this is not a little project. Woo. There's some work out here in Seattle. That's all they want us to be doing, working. Don't forget humanity. Work on that. That's what's gonna benefit you even more. Because there's this old famous saying that I've been seeing along the way that says the same ones you see on the way down, on the way up, you'll see on the way down. You know what I mean? Pier 62. Pier 62. The ocean's always great. It's like humbling, you know? It's amazing, like wow. Separates land and sea, but again, the Father can bring destruction like what's it called? Florida. Shout outs to Florida. That's as much as I'm gonna take it. Hallelujah. Pine Street. Probably the library's that way. Man, looking for the library now.